Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. Today, we're going to talk about how to change genetic information that is driving you to overeat. So hopefully, by the end of this, it'll be changed, and that information won't be driving you to overeat. So many people, maybe all of us, have genetic histories where our people were starving. This really came into focus one time when I was working with a Native American woman who was really too fat. And she said, in our culture, when there was food around, we'd eat and eat and eat and eat, festive times, great times together, because in winter, there wasn't that much food around. So we couldn't eat like that. She said, but now in this culture, there's food around all the time, but I'm just driven to eat and eat and eat because the food is there. So we did TAT together, and by the end of it, she could feel this change within herself. So that's what I'm hoping for you right here. So what we'll do is a very shortened version of TAT together. What we'll put in the pot, meaning the pot just is a short term for where it is, which is kind of nowhere, and it's also in the field of our connectedness, you could say, the pot. Anyway, it just means what you've decided to work on right now. So what we're going to put in there is all the genetic traumas that happened on both sides of the family, all the genetic traumas that drive me to eat when I'm not even hungry. And especially any traumas that have to do with, we're starving to death, there's food here, you better eat it right now. So anything like that is in the pot. So what we'll do first is the heart pose, and we'll make an intention together. So the heart pose is just whichever palm over your heart chakra. That means near your heart, but midline, palm over palm like this. And as you're listening, you don't have to try and make anything I'm saying true or not true, or believe it or don't. Just follow along and see whatever you happen to notice. Okay, so we're making this intention together. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with. For all beings involved, all beings who would like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that is safe and easy. I just want to mention, it's just natural. Our genetics, our cells are tuned into things that happened to our ancestors. So we're chilling that out now. So, okay. So we'll do the TAT pose. It's whichever hand you want, thumb and ring finger, light touch just above the upper inner corner of each eye, not way up here, way down there, just like that, light touch. Middle finger, midline, just maybe ½ inch or so above your eyebrows, and your other hand goes at the base of your skull so that your thumb is just above your hairline back there. And it doesn't have to go in the notch, it's just flat there, okay? So we're doing the TAT pose. And when the word this is part of what's being said, it means what we put in the pot. And we don't even know what those traumas are. We're just doing it on behalf of our ancestors and ourselves. Okay, so we'll do the pose. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. Everything that led up to our, meaning all the ancestors and you, everything that led up to our resonating, identifying, and connecting with all of this happened. All that happened, it's over, and we no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. Then what we'll do is decide on what we would like to feel, experience, act like. So we're not overeating and don't end up too fat. Okay, so maybe it could be something like, it's easy for me to eat when I'm actually hungry and to stop eating before I'm really stuffed, or whatever you want to say. It's your life, your words, your wish. So either write it down or just have it in mind. And you can pause this if you want to write, and it can be more than one thing. Just put it in terms of here and now, like not I'm going to not overeat in the future, but I no longer overeat. I can tell when I'm full. I feel good when I leave a little room in my stomach and stop eating before I'm stuffed. Whatever you want to say. So once you've decided whatever it is you want to experience, then do the pose and say it to yourself 3 times, silently or out loud. I had one come up. You might find it invaluable or entertaining, but doing this, it was, I no longer stuff myself at family gatherings in order to quell my anxiety and kind of zone out. So that might do for you too. Um, so you can come back to this video whenever you want and do it again if you feel like it. I hope this helps you out. I hope you enjoy food in a way that's wonderful for your health and happiness. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.